Now we're going to use synthetic division to solve a polynomial. So what I've got now, and just listen for a minute and then pause and write down. But I think if you'll listen first and then write, it will make more sense. So we're going to solve this using synthetic division. Notice this time I have function f of x equals this polynomial if f of negative 3 equals 0. This f of negative 3 equal to 0 is kind of like having y equals 0. And if you'll remember, all the places where y equals 0 are going to be our intercepts. So if f of negative 3 equals 0, that means that negative 3 is one of my x-intercepts. And if negative 3 is one of my x-intercepts, then that means that x plus 3 is one of the factors, because x plus 3 equals 0 gives me negative 3. So one of my factors to this polynomial is going to be x plus 3 if f of negative 3 equals 0. So I know one of the factors is x plus 3. I need to find the other factors. So I'm going to use synthetic division to help me find the other factors. X plus 3 is the same thing as x minus negative 3. So I'm going to use synthetic division with negative 3. So now might be a good time to go ahead and pause and write that down, and then we'll start the synthetic division together. Now that you have this written down, let's go ahead and put our coefficients in. 2, 11, 18, and 9. I'm going to bring the 2 down. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 11 and negative 6 is 5. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Add, you get 3. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. When you add, you get 0. So there's no remainder. So that means that the other factor is 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. So right now, these are the factors of my polynomial. That means I can find my intercepts when those are equal to 0. This part actually factors again. It will factor into 2x and x let's see here, I'm going to have 1 and 3 or 3 and 1. Since it's plus, I believe I want to put the 3 here and the 1 here. Let's check it out. This will give me 2x, 3x is 5x, so that works. And then x plus 3 is my third factor. So that means that 2x plus 3 equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0, or x plus 3 equals 0. So x equals negative 3 halves, x equals negative 1, or x equals negative 3. Those are my 3 x-intercepts for that polynomial.